Good morning. Welcome in. Get this rolling. Oh, I am ready. One loss, two wins on the week. Good morning, Liv. First message. Good morning, Nathaniel, Canary, D. Mill, Alex, Fabiola, Zesh, Jake, Juliana. Good morning, G Man. I am sharing the live currently, then you will have all my undivided attention. Good morning, Danny. How you doing? So how's everyone's morning going so far? Some of you all just waking up, that's okay. I had hit legs at the gym this morning, so I'll take that as my first win of the day. Um, is it? Morning, Esteban. Woke up early, hanging out, sipping coffee. That sounds like the life to me. Hunter, you said the market's going to be bleeder today. We'll see. I wouldn't mind catching a nice short. But right now, I'm watching a bounce at Asia low area. You all can see it on my chart there. We have a nice hourly demand. Good morning, Nick. Wizard going after the coffee. We'll be here. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Let's see. What data did we have at 8:30 today? PCE. Good morning, Hummer. Artistic. Good morning, Shayla. How are you? You gotta head to the Myrtle Beach around 10, Danny. Hopefully, we catch a trade before then. It's interesting. On the live, I can create a highlight reel. I was looking at it. Pretty easy, man. Um, Shayla, I'm doing good. Had a leg workout this morning. Hit some sauna. Um, Yeah, that's about it. Now I'm here drinking some good coffee, hanging out with you all. You gotta work, Danny. Good morning. Welcome in. Canary. Y'all want to hear something funny? I stood like in the sauna at one of the gyms I go to. Like they have the lights that hang down from the ceiling. Like they're fixed. They're not like swinging lights. They're screwed on. And I stood up to like adjust my shorts, and I hit my head on it, broke the light off in my head this morning. Which I mean, it wasn't funny. I didn't mean to break it, but uh, I have a hard head. That's the moral of the story. It didn't feel great, but all right. It is indeed, Nick. Watching this bounce right here, Jay. That's my main watch right now. We got a couple of demands worth, well, three demands. But I'm gonna see what happens here. If we get a downtrend entry, I'm happy with that as well. Gonna be patient. No, Bill didn't cut me. I don't think. I thought you all would enjoy that story. I still owe one person on here a Apex account, Miss. I think I may have gave one more away than I have right now, so I have to get some more before I can send yours. If you're around, yeah, Miss F41. That is my bad. That is sad about Dolly, huh? Good old Dolly. Hey, how about some Grizzly ones, Thomas? I don't think I have any of that. Um, Good morning, everyone.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you
Doing good. Just hopefully can catch a nice trade today.
We need it back. We are going to take control of August. Right in the huevos. Let it know who's boss. Let it know who's boss. It's us. We're the boss.
Months like this make you thankful for multiple incomes, for sure.
Yep, for sure.
I was telling everybody on here, Jaden, I was in the sauna after working out. I did legs this morning, but it's got two levels, like a where you put your feet. You sit on the top bench. And I went to stand up to adjust my shorts, and I hit my head so hard on the light it broke it off the ceiling.
The light?
Yeah, my head. But
damn, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, I just had too much momentum, I guess. I don't know.
Too strong, too many squats.
Moral of the story: I have a hard head. So.
You got more headed. I could have told you that.
Yeah, I think everyone's aware.
Moral of the story: I'm hard headed. I could have been told you that. That dad strength. I'm starting to get that dad strength too.
I seen the beard coming in, man. I like it. You should let it grow.
You grow out a beard?
Do it. A goatee. I think a goatee would work.
Yeah. All right. Clean up the sides, maybe just.
Or if you got a lot of confidence, you just go with like the mustache and sideburns.
Yeah, let's go the '80s stash.
Yeah. What do they say about hard heads? I gotta know. I don't know how the trading would go today, but I know how the weekend's gonna go with college football.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
It
It's gonna be great.
is gonna be great.
R.I.P. Dolly Parton.
I know, it's sad, man. From my
Great person, bro.
from my neck of the woods.
She was a great, great person.
Yeah, she was. Good heart.
R.I.P. Yeah, she donated a ton of her wealth to charity and like had all these different foundations and initiatives to get to increase graduation rates and literacy rates, bro. She was cool. I was learning about her yesterday.
Good morning, Emma.
I like that.
Have you watched the movie, The Coat of Many Colors? It's good.
What?
The Coat of Many Colors. I think that's the name of it, right? Let me look.
I'm not.
Am I thinking of the right movie here, everyone?
R.I.P. Dolly, man. Firms. Find.
Yeah, that's the name of it. Came out in 2015. Dolly Parton's Coat of Many Colors. It's a good
Crazy.
movie. You should watch it. Coat of Many Colors. That's in the Bible as well. I remember the story from the Bible. All
Yeah,
right.
R.I.P. Says life is very short, very sensitive.
Seemed like she got sick and she was going in no time, man. She hadn't been sick long at all. At least we didn't know about it if she was. But let's do this today, Team Bull. It's almost time for market open.
Yep. And morning prayer.
That's right.
All right, everybody, welcome into the Team Bull.
All right, everyone. Let's see. Oh, nice. Fibonacci. Did you get the code I sent out to you, man? Alexander, I didn't get to watch that movie yet. Or I still owe one person here Apex account, Miss K. And I'll get as soon as I get some fresh codes, I'll send it. I accidentally gave away more than I had at the time. I did. It was a mistake on my part. Can you hear me? Everyone can hear me? I want to make sure. All right. Good morning, CMS, Thomas, NQES Trader. What you got going on this morning, me? I should apply to be what's that mean, Wizard? A Verizon guy? Oh, like a commercial or what? Speaking of Verizon, I was looking on my account. You all see if you can guess how long I've been a Verizon wireless customer. Just take a guess. Oh, good morning, Sherwood. 11 years, over a decade. And I was a customer before that. When they first, you know, in the early stages, and left, then I came back. So, good morning, KB. The GTE MedMat, I remember that. Anybody remember the roaming charges? Those were the worst. All right, let's see. I don't know if I don't know how I feel about it here. Just a straight pump. I mean, I don't like the way it looks here because we've already tested data at lows. So I'm going to be backwards here. But we're testing data highs now. So you could justify trying it, I guess. I feel like my brain is still getting going this morning. CMS, I only had one trade yesterday. It was a losing trade. I got stopped out. Um, I've been trying to trade some pre-market with you all, but I haven't seen much. I haven't seen many setups this week. I'm trying to judge it based on setups, or do it based on if there's any setups close, so I'm not wasting your time. Can we run up the likes and share the live, everyone? Oh, let's see. Good morning, Squat Skirts. How are you? Good morning, Naya. It was Jaden's fault yesterday. Right. Well, data strategy been is working out so far, huh? Good morning, Nate. Good morning, Luke. What's up, Droid Man? Tio, Matt, Vlad. I'm missing everyone coming in. My bad. I'm thankful for my mornings with you all. stretching. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Ooh, that kind of makes me want to short. The way we look here. What we've been doing, we've been respecting these lower time frame zones created pre-market. If you can see, a very similar thing happened yesterday. We didn't catch, but while it's doing it, it's already sold off. While I was looking at that. Okay, I got it figured out. It's your 11th year anniversary? Nice. Fibonacci. Yeah, NVIDIA moves it for sure. Oh. What are you all watching other than this Asia low bounce? Anybody? Is that all we're watching right now? You're getting ads? Is it just keep on popping them up or what? I don't know. I thought I had it on where I could there we go. I delayed them. Just now realized I could do that. So appreciate the follow. If you have any questions, drop in the chat, okay? What's up, Money Mind Easy? How you doing? Morning, Cowboy Big. Morning, Sosa. Welcome in. Everyone's coming in late. That's okay. Just glad you're here. You sipping some coffee? Nice. What's everyone sipping on this morning? I have my regular old coffee in hand. Hot. Espresso. Live. Wait. Nate, I don't know if I'm reading that right. Oh, I did log it, Nate. I don't really look. The 5 minutes what I look for confirmation from. But you're saying the lower time frames kind of told the story. It's rare that I see, all the candles pointing in the same direction on all the lower time frames. Troy, man, that's the way, man. Hot black coffee. Tea. I like shorts here, but we just keep getting high delta, right? From what I'm looking at, just looking at price section, I would say short. But Nvidia earnings. You said it was after close today. Nvidia earnings. You got your fourth espresso. Jesus, we may need to have an intervention with you. Good morning, Wes. I bet I'm gonna look at Nvidia. I want to see what it's doing. I bet we could nearly take a trade based off Nvidia with NQ. You think that's possible? Let's see. Oh, Nvidia trying to reclaim Asia or lows there. Pre-market low. You said Trump is speaking, Thomas? You have 22 shares in Nvidia? Nice. Wow. Messed up my chart horribly. All right. What do we see here, Jadon? You like anything?
Nothing. Not a whole lot. 15-minute range is in though, so that's a good start, right?
Yeah.
Good start. It's a good start. R.I.P. Dolly Parton, man. Oh no, I already planned on that too. Jade Ember's 15 unprofitable trade.
Oh. See what we do about this Asia high. Is it down, Bill? Let me take a look. We may have to sell some cover or cash secured put. A little more though. It's gonna have to break below 11 for me. That's petty, isn't it, Thomas? Petty. Do you all see anything? You have to sell some covered, cash secured puts on. I don't know why I have covered calls on my brain. Cash secured puts. I'm looking for something to sell it on this week. I'm trying to keep the income rolling in from that side of things. You looking for a bounce at point of control, Nate? What's everyone think about that? Nate says he likes a bounce at point of control here. The TSLL looks decent, Bill. Let's see what the IV is. 94. I may open some of them up later, Bill. I'm gonna look. You have some cash secured puts expiring on Ford and SoFi. Nice. Welcome in, everyone. Please drop your questions in chat. These candles are ugly for a bounce, everyone. Ugly for trying to catch a bounce close. So I'm going to set out the point of control bounce, okay? so that's clear. You all can take it if you would like. I'm going to wait for something else. Right there was your entry. If you was trying it, it dipped down and touched it. uh, Safe travels, Danny. Safe travels, man. What's everyone doing right now while watching this live? You all just sitting? I say Danny's tired of Myrtle Beach. It seems like he's always there working. San Jose, you're short biased? I'm not for sure. I'm good with it either way as long as it actually gives us an entry and respects technicals. Playing on your phone, just hanging out, working, locked in, nice. Driving to Martin, no trading and driving. On your way to work, eating some spicy sausage and biscuits. It's not a good thing. Getting paid by your employer, not looking at charts. Jackson said he has a chalk bias. I would say you might be right. Who knows with Nvidia earnings? You made some sourdough, Alexander? Oh, I didn't know you drove local, Daz. That's good, being home every night. So far, the point of control bounce is working out. Nate, did you take it? Or did anybody take the trade Nate was asking about? I didn't. I guess it just had all the orders it needed at point of control. Like, I don't need no high volume. Oh no, Nate. I would be open to longs if we got a high volume close above these levels here. Which that was not it at all. May need a massage today. Sounds like a good idea. I'm definitely putting out some content for you all today, so hopefully you watch that. Take a few minutes. Yep, pinky promise. Oh, well, we're about 26, 27 minutes into the New York session. That sounds good, Alexander. Trying to eat too much bread, but it does sound good. I mean, I like sourdough. No, nothing. Another ad. Let me pause them again. I mean, if I was gonna make some bread, I eat sourdough, but if I was gonna make it myself, I would just go with the good old fashioned like cornbread or something. Some Mexican cornbread. I love that stuff. Oh, what's going on over here? Do I think Nvidia dump on earnings? I have no idea. If I said, I would just do the opposite of whatever I said because that's probably what would happen. I like it with like pinto beans, you know. This is the breakout candle. Let me turn. I'm gonna turn the retest on Grisology. Wherever my orb is here. Nice. Good luck, cowboy. How's your day going so far? There's no volume here, huh? The best moves of August have come with very little volume confirmation. Been an odd month. Your dog ran away last night and didn't come back, so you gotta find him. Well, I hope you find him. Jeez. Be in panic mode. Hope it just absolutely prints for you all. I'm not in a trade. If I take a trade, I'll be very clear, okay? If you have a setup you want to talk about, drop it in chat. Group effort here, okay? My leg is twitching and will not stop. It's driving me crazy. The quads. See what Jaden's watching.
One day pass is tough. Now,
Prop firm talk. I'm gonna lock back in here. I'll talk to him once he gets done. I mean, some people are taking longs here, but maybe it matches their strategy. It doesn't mine. That's why I'm not. That's what I was referring to. So there's no confusion. But I am rooting for them nonetheless. I know it's still early in the session. We haven't caught a trade yet, but we're going to. But what's everyone, what are we having today after we trade? We're going with sushi or steak? Thanks, Nate. Thanks for dropping your setup. Appreciate it. Steak? You thinking steak today? I don't know. It's Wednesday. Should we mix it up? Maybe do like at least some like lamb chops or something. All right, fine. Everyone says steak. Travis says leftovers. Well, Travis, what's the leftovers? That's the question. You can't just say leftovers and leave us hanging, man. Steak. I do like some caviar, but to me, good caviar it tastes like good chip dip. Is that not the truth though? That's how I feel about it. I've ate some top notch caviar, and it's just like that's why it reminds me of chip dip. Oh, I taught Jaden how to eat it. Steak and veggies, right? Squat skirt. Cowboy big. That sounds good. Travis, I'll be watching for what Travis is having, but there's nothing wrong with steak for breakfast. Sounds good to me, Travis. Yeah, I like skirt steak, Charger man. All right. We got lowering volume. If I was going to try a bounce here, everyone, that had no confirmation, this is just me talking, it would be right here at this 9 EMA. I would keep my stop below point of control, a close below point of control. Yeah, I did, Nate. Quite a move up, huh? On low volume to beat it all. I need better skirt steak recipes, though. I mean, I eat it straight, but most people's always doing something, different with it. You can't hear it. T-Bone says you can't hear it. Can you all just confirm you can hear me, please? I know you all probably get tired of doing this, but I gotta make sure you can hear in case we catch a trade. Nice. Can you find Beck's comment? Dang it. When is face cam? Whenever I get my whenever I feel comfortable doing it, I guess. Um, because like I said, I recorded myself twice now and literally make the worst faces. I don't know why. It's mostly when I'm laughing at you, I guess. Oh,
Use it every day.
you about to rip?
Please,
You about to rip something?
please don't make. Sorry, what?
I didn't mean to interrupt you. I said you about to rip something here.
Uh, Asia looked fire last night.
That's funny, Nate.
It looked good.
Uh,
And looking back, it looked great.
if this is volume supported, I would go long right here where we're at. But there's nothing telling me we're gonna bounce.
All right, Grizzly said it'll go long. Bet. So I collapse. This song is me. This is me talking to my funded account. It's about to collapse. I'm kidding. My funded's doing great, but they're in a little drawdown. But still, even those Lucids are up, still $7,000 a pop.
August has been tough on the evals for
Some
sure.
some 8,000. Two of them 8,000. Three of them 8,000. What do you say?
I said August has definitely been tough on the evals. No doubt about it.
Yep, just taking it slow.
What are you gonna watch for the 50% retracement bounce or are you just waiting on volume?
Just have no volume today, man.
Yeah. Nvidia earnings after close, right?
Oh, yep. This is the area we bounce. Like point of control, 50% retracement, maybe stops at enter like 250 to 240, stops at 200. This area actually doesn't look bad.
What kind of ad is that, Sherwood? A neglected beat. Wait. I get. Are you
It's
being?
like two
I don't even want to say that. It means
pre-market.
something else. So I'm just
It's
gonna leave that
260
alone.
to 250 area. Doesn't look
How
bad.
about I'm just gonna leave that statement alone. Not even touch on it. Not for sure. I wasn't thinking that at first, but you never know anymore. I always feel like I'm the guy that never understands the way people are meaning stuff when they. What is it, Bill? Well, when I don't catch something and it's you all mean it the other way, you're like, okay, get out of here. You know. What's up, Nicholas? Yeah, sure would. That's what I was saying. I didn't want to stick my foot in my mouth, you know. I'm watching. I am watching. Man, I know what you mean. That little beaver, the little beaver emoji, or yeah, whatever. Yes, this one is. There's two options on Grisology for there's two point of controls you can choose from. I like this one best. It's the simplest. It's just the simply the highest volume point on this time frame during this session. Okay, or the day. I wonder where the other point of control is at right now. Let me take a look here. Sometimes I just like to see the difference, you know? Go to the volume profile. Well, this one's at 256. That one's at 235. Look here. Huh. Touched it to a T. Oh, my contact's trying to flip over. Don't do it. We got some volume. But it wasn't that impressive. I'm gonna wait. Let's be patient. There's no point in rushing a trade with the current market condition. We're almost out of August still. You survived August. Pat yourself on the back. I think a ton of people give up. Nice. Beck, Beck, I think you have selective hearing. You piece my wording together. Beck, I think you have slowly corrupted me. Micro corrupting. This is this is one of the toughest months to trade, Cowboy. One of the toughest. Nice, Thomas. Made a little sushi money. Delta's currently plus 300. How much time we have left? A minute 35. It still could get with it here with the volume, but it's going to have to do it quickly. Nice. You got 2 payouts this month, Corey. That's awesome. Doing better than most. Real quick, everyone, while we're waiting on the trade, if you want to trade funded accounts with us, you don't want to risk your own capital. Maybe you just want to use them and trade your personal with it. Whatever the case may be, go to grizzlytrades.com. I have 3 there to choose from, 3 of the best in the game. Tradeify, the 50K select account is my favorite. Take Profit, the 50K accounts. And I guess Apex would be the 50Ks as well. It's debatable. I had someone make a good point when we talked about it last time with the Apex 50Ks, but that's what I'm going to go with. All right, TikTok. My TikTok froze. Give me a second. Just use code Grizzly for the discount. If you don't understand prop firms, you can download my free guide / ebook there as well. GrizzlyTrades.com. It's 100% free to download the ebook. Terry says he likes the 150K accounts. If you want to try out Apex, I currently have the link in my bio on Instagram. Nate, it has done that to you twice in a row. It missed your entry twice by a few points. I don't have any levels for shorts right now, everyone. We're inside this range. We don't have volume. much volume. Had a little increase in volume on this red candle here, but it was not really enough for me to consider it. Still low volume, relatively low volume. No trades yet, Shelly. I'm trying. I'm watching. Still has not got to my. No, it's working. TikTok is working now. I think. TikTok, can you all say something in chat? All right. Good to know. It's working. Nice, Alexander. Yeah, something happened to it, man. I don't know. Working now, though. The only area I'm looking to bounce currently is this Asia low. Oh. Excuse me. What's up, Hummer? Weird volume still. So it wants to sweep somewhere. But where? Hopefully it's not anywhere before this area. At least previous day low, pre-market low. What news do we have in 4 minutes, Robert? I'm not in a trade. Not in a trade. You made some money though, right? So far, the only thing it's been respecting is point of control that I've seen. Sorry for the yawn. Hopefully you all didn't catch it. Yes, it will, Sizzle. It has done just that to me. I don't know. To me, it looks like it wants to sweep everyone. So, just watching volume and stuff, it's like it wants to sweep like a bounce, like a big bounce somewhere. We'll see. We shall see. Now you looking for 228 for shorts? I see what you see there. I don't hate it. You're talking about like right here. Thank you for sharing the live. Appreciate it. It just fell right through that fair value gap like it wasn't there, huh? No, Matt, I'm not in the trade. I was saying I think it's going to sweep and bounce somewhere. All right, I lied. The Apex is not still on my Instagram story. You have to go to grizzlytrades.com for that. Just gotta be patient, everyone. We're only 1 hour in. We've got another hour or so. See what the market gives us. Is it cool with you all if I go put some more coffee on real quick? Can you talk amongst yourself? If you want, I can unmute Jadon. You all can just listen to him while I'm gone. I'll be right back, okay? No, I'm still here. You said play a balding ad? That's funny. It keep playing you the balding ads, Nate? I'm not for sure on that one, Thomas. Not for sure on that one. He said, camera must be on. It sees you. That's hilarious. Sorry. I do have a bad sense of humor. Rough, I guess. So far this morning, the YouTube ads have been balding, beavers. What else? Did I leave out? What's my thought on VWAP reject? I mean, it's possible. You could justify it, but I can't take it. That's the way we did on a 15-minute range low. Austin said mobile games for him. You are young, though. Why did they do that, Charger? What was the outcome? What am I watching for? I was watching for Asia Low bounce. Like I said, Austin, you're young. I was trying to give you a compliment. You there, you know. They got out safely. That's good. Grabbing my coffee. It's done. Be right back. Well, so far today, I've had pre-workout and 2 cups. Well, this is my second cup of coffee. So that's where we're at with the caffeine intake. They should be banned for lifetime for that. Not really. My leg, when I did legs, my right quad has been twitching the whole time we've been trading, and it's like an eye twitch. It's just driving me crazy. There you go, Nate. I hope it prints for you, man. Nate went short here at 228. The only reason I didn't take it is just I don't have a strategy that I back tested enough to justify this. You all did tell me that we just need to start taking trades on based off my bias, but I don't know how that would work. Luke uses the think indicator. Well, Nate, at least you're not going to lose any if it does pump up here. There we go, Grizz Thoughtology. Appreciate everyone that joined Grizzology yesterday. Oh, looking forward to all the good things to come. I'm not taking this trade. No shorts for me, everyone. I'm rooting for the people that took it, but they're already stopped out at entry. They give it. So it was just break even for the shorts they tried. I was gonna try shorts, where would it be? I don't know, to be honest. I guess up. Maybe point of control. I don't really see anything. All right, I delayed the ads again for you all. So let me delay for 10 minutes. Appreciate the follow, B Lake. If you have any questions, man, drop them in chat. Also, TikTok. uh, Sorry if you're having any issues on your side. They seems like Jaden's having issues on his TikTok live as well. What's point of control? So the way I have this point of control, it's the highest volume point on this time frame. Basically, just think of it like volume-based support and resistance. But there's another one you can change here on my indicator. It's got two. One of them is a volume profile. Was that Department of Defense? Date of death? That's a joke. I know what you're saying. You're welcome. TikTok, YouTube. So you all don't think I'm crazy. I'm talking in different chats here, just to make that clear for the new people. You don't see what I'm talking to. Chances are it's in a different chat. I mean, short don't look horrible here, everyone. Just don't have no edge. Looks as though we could push down here because we swept that VWAP 921. But that's all I see. I don't see this something telling me to jump in other than that. Since when, Luke? Oh, we have a fresh cup of coffee here. We might just trade all day. Yeah, there's just no shorts for me here, everyone. Can't do it. See you, Nate. Have a good day at work, okay? Excuse me. All right, have a good day, Fabiola. All right. Well, the only thing I've been right about the sweep at least. We did sweep, like I thought. But I have not cased up KG. Google it, see what it is. That's an old one. Nice, Austin. Glad to see you making some money. Oh, they took it all away. I don't understand. Oh, the trailing. You went with the trailing drawdown, right, Austin? Is that what you're saying? Supermarket high. Well, there's just no trades you can hold really. Recently, we haven't had many trend days. Definitely been a scalper's market, but I hate getting in the habit of just scalping. I feel like I'm developing bad habits in trading. Maybe what we have to do for a bit, but one thing I can say about the people in the live, I've seen who showed up, locked in, who's toughed out the tough market conditions, and I believe that's the ones that will make it long term. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it every day. They wouldn't. No one would do anything else but day trade if it was easy to do, which is not complicated. The strategies that work are simple, but you know how that goes. That's right, Nick. Freedom of time is the biggest flex of all. Not like shorts here, but we're crossing over on all these EMAs again, and yeah, nothing yet. No trades. Just talking. If you all see anything, let me know. It could sell off hard. We did sweep that point of control, but I would be guessing if I took this trade. Of course, Martin. See you, Bill. For those that plan on sticking in this for the long run, I'm telling you all, a lot of you do, but you have to create other income sources. So when we're day trading, tough weeks, we still have money flowing in from all kinds of different places, right? We're already on the grind. Why not just grind building other incomes as well? Consistency will build them up for you. Before you know it, you'll be have money coming in, 4 or 5 different places. So thanks, Bill, for letting me know. Yeah, I've been doing this for a while now. The whole trading the people thing, and a lot of people come and go. Had a lot of people try to do me dirty over the years, but they're just all distant memories now. They're just gone. Trading takes care of them, you know? The trading world takes care of them. I don't think that's how it works, Wizards. I'm not for sure completely. We'll see, Corey. Mm. This TSLL is looking good, everyone. I don't know if you know much about it, but like if you want to sell some cash secured puts, this may be the area for it. I'm going to look into it a little bit more. It's not something I want to. The only reason I'm hesitant with selling cash secured puts on TSLL, it's not something I want to hold long term. You know, if I got it signed, but I would. This price action, man. There you go, Fibonacci. You're gonna reverse psychology yourself in hopes that the market confused, huh? Might be it. Might be the move. Nick said it's a Jedi mind trick. Charger Man says, "Wish I could stay up late enough to trade Asia." I'm right there with you. The only reason I'm still around, I want to see what we do up here at pre-market high, Asia high. The only reason I'm still live, everyone. Last setup here. Um, for those that trade pre-market in the morning, if I see a setup worth waiting on, trading with you all, I will go live earlier. Okay. I've been keeping an eye out. I'm down to trade pre-market, but I'm not going to waste your time until I see setups. I'll look beforehand, go from there. Ryan, I haven't caught a trade yet, man. You got anything for us? Oh, you thought it was the coffee? That's definitely the caffeine is definitely helping. This market's easy to break rules in. Just trying to get a trade in that makes sense. I guess it's tough setting through this horrible price action. But like I said, we should only have one more week of it, or this should be it. This week, next week, I mean, I could be completely wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll just retract my statement, you know. But I think we should have better price action. Maybe after Nvidia earnings today. Sorry to hear that. Yep, that's exactly right. No such thing as a 100% win rate. Unless you're basing it on my dad jokes. I would say they're all successful. Well, like that's a lie. They're horrible. Come on. Get up there to pre-market high. I want to see if we sweep. Or Asia high, either or. Why should you never buy anything made with Velcro? I'm not for sure. Oh, it's always a ripoff. Nice. Solid. I'm not for sure. I will be dropping some content for you all today, so make sure you take time to watch it later. We're finally to the level I was watching, everyone. We are finally here. Not yet, Droid Man. We're finally to um, lower time frame supply again. I want to see what happens. Definitely not me, Wizard. I teach options on YouTube. I got videos on there, Shayla. If you want to check them out. Of course. You're welcome. Zero DTE on Spy and QQQ are fun. Oh yeah, I used to trade them. You know what I don't like about them is how high the IV stays on them consistently now. Seem like they're just overpriced. And I don't like dealing with the Greeks when I day trade anymore. What's the delta on this candle? The one that just closed. Anybody? $100, thank you. No, I'm not in the trade. Nothing yet. We have to have the volume to confirm, and the delta was positive on the previous, so there's really nothing working for us. Or saying we should short yet. $11.11, everyone, make a wish. What's the? Let me look at the options right now. So let me look at the SPY same day expiration. I mean, it's not horrible today, but you're still paying So let's say I wanted to. I thought price was going to go up here. I would trade at the money. So the 767 call on SPY is what I would go with. You would be paying $105, $110 on something that literally, if it doesn't go your way, it's going to expire worthless at the end of the day. You don't have much time working in your favor. But you're right. The IV's not horrible today on them. Yeah, trade individuals with options. I don't blame you. Still here. Still waiting on confirmation. Lofta, I know you're just talking, but that's all I used to do, man, for years. We all we know the zero DTE game. I remember the day they came out. We didn't know what to expect from zero DTE. It changed when zero DTE came out. It changed the flow option. It changed order flow, right? Because a lot of people base their flow now off the zero DTE expirations. I don't think it. I mean, it definitely changed things, but I'm not for sure if it's going to change things like the 24/7 options market will. That would be interesting. So, so at negative delta, all right, I'm trying shorts, everyone. 280 is my stop.
Grizzlies in the shorts.
NQ shorts or MNQ, whatever you want to trade. I'm in them. Well, 283 is my stop.
Oh man.
I'm going to be scalping too, everyone, so that's clear. So I'm going to trim in the 220s. Then I'll move my stop down to right at the top of this candle. We don't bounce VWAP hard. You know what? Let's see what we get. Yeah, I gotta wait to 20s to trim. All right, trim. Move my stop to entry. So it's green trade regardless now, everyone. NQ making my brain work this morning. Let's see what we get. I'm leaving stops at entries. I want to see if we get a big move here. 205 area where I trim next. Right above that 200. That low psych in case we bounce. It's all right. Make sure you, if you're trading, have consistency rules. Make sure you follow that, not my trims.
Shorts?
Shorts.
You in the shorts?
Yeah, we trimmed once.
What?
Yep.
Damn. Look at that literally a straight rejection of pre-market high. That is insane.
Yeah, I couldn't take it on the initial touch. I had to wait on the next candle to close. It had a nice negative delta. So I ripped it. We touch 250. We touch point of control. Just know I'm completely out, everyone. It's at 256. No, if you got filled in 40s, that's okay. It did move quick once it closed.
This actually looks decent for
Right?
higher low here too.
Yeah, good. You're right. I'm in scalping mode today till we get past this market.
Yep.
Still in, everyone.
The second I have to leave, you go check on the fence guy. Good trade comes. Wow. Wow.
Nice, Shayla. Thanks, G-Man.
Wow, 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 wow.
I need you to leave again, man. Real
Sorry,
quick.
what?
I need you to walk away real quick and come back, see if it pushes on
I
down.
come back and market the stalls. What?
Don't do it. What was the delta on that previous candle? I'm still in as of right now.
How's what delta?
I was asking them to check the delta for me on that previous candle.
J Dunn, past 550K take profit accounts I open Friday. Thanks to the dude.
Barely. So basically flat. Had a little positive delta. Come on, don't get us out of this trade. I don't want to be out of this trade. I want it to go down to 205. All right, I'm out. All right, trade's over for me, everyone. Hit my entry.
Trade's over?
Yeah, I only got one trim.
Got a scalp? Nice.
Yeah.
Better than nothing. Better than nothing, bro. In this market.
It may continue on down after it tests this point of control again, but I'm not letting this take any of my profits away. All right, everyone. That is it from me. A little sushi money today. I didn't make much money at all, to be honest with you all. I made some sushi money. I get a couple rows, so I'm just happy to have some wins this week. We've had 3 winners, 1 loss, and it's gonna do it. It's gonna do us dirty here. I hate when it does this. It'll come back up, retest this key level, then move. Get me out of the trade. after I trim, then continue on. It took some patience today, for real. You're welcome, everyone. I appreciate you all for toughing out this market with me, being patient. I'll be back in the morning. I may trade some pre-market in the morning. If I do, you need to. The best way to see is going to be on my Instagram, okay? When I post on there, or just have notifications on. We'll have to see if there's any setups.